Hello everyone, so this is another collaboration video me and my good friend on YouTube, AngelsHeavenlyNails, decided to do. Our theme was flowers and bling. Basically it was more like a spring design, and we decided to do a floral design with bling on it. So this is a design that she came up with. Really pretty design. I really love it. It's so gorgeous. So go out. I'm going to put the link in her the link to her channel in the info box, and I want you to go and check out her tutorial also, and subscribe to her channel as well. So the design that I came up with, this is the beginning stages of the design that I decided to do, and I decided to do mine on a white background. Basically all I did was painted my nails white, and the nail polish I used is by Wet n Wild, and the name of it is Whip Topping. So this is the white nail polish, and I applied 2 coats on my nails. The rest of the design I will be hand painting. I will be using acrylic water paint. So this is the paints that I have, and I have quite a few different colors going on up in there. So I'm going to be using quite a few colors. The crystals that I use, I have just the ones I'm going to use on this finger I have out. So these are the Swarovski crystals that I have. I have a pink, blue, yellow, and green. Those were the colors that I chose because of the outfit that I'm wearing. So I just pulled pretty much the colors of the outfit out on my design. So this is a design that we will be recreating on my ring finger. So I'm going to start off, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to try not to keep this tutorial, make it so long. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So that is basically it for this nail design. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.